same question. How do you get real estate photography clients? So I decided to find out where mine actually come from. I went through over 100 clients I've worked with in Los Angeles and tracked them down one by one to figure out exactly how they found me. Through my website, through working with another company, through speaking in an office. Not how I thought they found me, how they actually found me. Wow. And after going through all of them, a few things really surprised me. Let's get into it. My name is Cole Connor, and I was put here to do 3 things. Create, inspire, love. Thanks for being here. Let's get into it. What's going on? My name is Cole Connor. I've built 2 6-figure real estate photography businesses, one on the East Coast, one on the West, shot thousands of homes, and now I'm closing in on 1.5 million views, teaching others like you how to do the same. After going through more than 100 clients, the biggest source wasn't Instagram. It wasn't YouTube. It wasn't even Thumbtack. It was my website by a lot. Let's break it down. First category, website, Google My Business, Google search. 42 out of the 113 clients. These are people that found me on Google, went to my website, and scheduled an appointment or reached out via text or email. That means my SEO is working. Next up, my referrals. 23 clients got through referrals. Really surprised by this one. 15 clients from Thumbtack. That's buying the leads on Thumbtack, getting the leads. So they send you the warm leads, they send it to 5 other people. I locked it in, and those became pretty profitable clients. Honestly, some of my biggest volume clients came from Thumbtack. 16 clients came through working with other companies. Pretty much relationships that stemmed from working with other photographers saying they want me to invoice or bill separately, things like that. 9 clients came from office presentations. Honestly, I think this is super undervalued, going in, giving presentations in front of all the agents, showing your face, huge. 8 clients came from personal outreach, cold calling, cold emailing. I met one client through the Chamber of Commerce, had coffee, he turned into a client. Hit up a guy on a Facebook group, turned into a client. Acting class and other personal relationships. Smaller categories, 4 clients came from Airbnb. I worked with Airbnb, then the same client wanted to use me again in the future, reached out to me direct. 4 clients reached out to me on Instagram. A couple clients that found me through ChatGPT. And honestly, my biggest client came from them emailing me, which technically would count coming from my website, but it was in my spam. That client's turned into $51,000. You never really know which opportunity is going to become a long-term client. You gotta treat everybody the same. If you're trying to get clients, I don't think the answer is finding one magic source. The biggest things here were having a great website, setting up Google My Business, doing great work, building relationships, putting myself out there in every way I can, and staying visible long enough for referrals to happen. I've obviously, as you could tell, tried a lot of different things. While some worked better than others, the moral of the story stayed the same. People found me. I did good work. They told someone else. Anyways, thought you would find this interesting. Just wanted to go through it really quick, break down where it actually comes from. If you haven't checked out the video I made about if I was starting over, how I'd get clients, definitely check out that full video. I go into more detail, but I thought this was a great addition. Okay, till next time. Peace. Some of these, I'm like, why do they never use me again? I'm so curious. I don't think it's the quality, and it just makes me think the only thing it could be was they didn't like my vibe. I thought we were gonna have a long-term relationship with this thing. She seemed to be so stoked about it, but she hadn't contacted me again. But still, some of these I'm like, I should remember. Went through my website, never used me again, don't know why. I can't believe how many I don't remember. I'm sad that so many of them don't still use me. Now, they might not be in real estate anymore. They might have moved on. Maybe they just didn't like my vibe. Maybe if they found someone else cheaper. There could be a million reasons. But that was a lot of people. Hi there. Thanks for watching. If you really liked it, maybe you'll like some of these too. While you decide, here's some music. Enjoy.